Hey everyone, if I'm talking to you now, how long are you going to listen to me? Let me give you a number. 10 seconds? 15 seconds? Maybe less than that. Maybe you've already tuned out. This is Annie Way and I hope you're subscribed to my YouTube channel Ask Annie, where I'm doing daily videos, 365 videos this year. So, what is the whole point of attention? Attention is the new currency and it is dwindling. Attention spans are literally down to 10 seconds, and I'm not talking of children, it's adults. What's the one way you can hold someone's attention in a conversation? I do this. I ask them something before I tell them something. So whenever I am making a video also, for example, I try to start with a question that deals with you. That what are you doing today? Do you go ahead and get challenged this way? Do you feel this? What it does is it holds your attention for much longer when I'm talking about you. It's all about attention span, and it comes from the fact that am I interested in what you're going to say, or do you have my attention for a longer period of time? So what you can do is, whenever you are in a networking event, you're meeting someone new, you want to make a point, well then don't start by talking yourself. Ask the other person something and maybe elicit a response from them, even if it is a yes, no, maybe, raise your hand, something that makes them respond to you. Once they get engaged physically in the response, they are going to listen to you for a little longer. So keep those questions in breaks. So you're speaking for 30 seconds, after that again have a question to them. Make them respond in some way so that again physically they get engaged in the conversation. Do this and I'm sure you will have more attention span from your audience. That's it from my side. Have a great day.